for everyone that suffers from age skin spots, today video is going to help you a lot. I'm going to give you 5 most powerful natural oil that can help you remove age skin spot. If you watch to the end of the show, also I'm going to recommend you my next video that is going to be most important vitamin for removing age skin spot, that is beyond on the end of the show. Hyperpigmentation of skin spots is characterized by areas of the skin that are darker than the surrounding skin colors. Although evidence-based research has been limited, some essential oils have been shown that effectively treat hyperpigmentation. Essential oil must be diluted with carrier oil to prevent skin irritation and systemic toxicity. Essential oil is the distillation of chemical compound from a single plant species. Those oils are used in aromatherapy and other alternative medicine therapies for a wide range of the health problems. This includes skin conditions such as spots, eczema, and hyperpigmentation. And this hyperpigmentation, also we know as age skin spot, are major problems for special people above 50 years and older. I see that every day. I work on my channel to make this video for 5 years in a row, and many of you are suffering from the age skin spots, and I believe this video is going to help you a lot. Hyperpigmentation describes accumulation of extra pigment or melanin in the skin. This is caused by sun exposure, aging, genetics, and hormonal changes. Type of hyperpigmentation includes freckles, age spots, melasma, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentations, and acne scars. How does essential oil treat hyperpigmentation? Essential oil that treat hyperpigmentation do this several ways. First, by inhibiting the activity of tyrosinase, an enzyme necessary for the production of melanin. Second, absorbing ultraviolet rays, thus preventing the production of melanin in response to the sun exposure. Both actions prevent the recurrence of hyperpigmentation, as dead skin cells are gradually replaced by new cells of natural skin color. Finally, some essential oils have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is usually due to the scars. And this is probably one of the things that very few people think about it. We right now know many essential oils that can help our skin, but today's 5 is going to help you a lot. How long does it take them to work? No research had determined how long it takes for the essential oil to brighten hyperpigmentation. Anecdotal evidence suggests that results are visible after a few weeks or months. The amount of time needed is likely to be determined by the severity of hyperpigmentation, how often the oil applied, as the result you are trying to obtain. Best essential oil for hyperpigmentation. Several essential oils have been scientifically proven to lighten hyperpigmentation. This oil works protecting the skin from UV exposure or by inhibiting tyrosinase activity of both. And please listen to me very careful, writing down everything I'm going to tell you today. I believe you're going to be delighted what science have proven that can help you a lot removing your age skin spots or any kind of hyperpigmentation in your body. First is lemon oil. Lemon essential oil contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects the skin from the free radicals that contribute to melanin formation. Additionally, vitamin C reduces the synthesis of melanocytes, the skin cells that produce melanin. Lemon also contains limonene, a natural skin lightening agent. Second is carrot seed oil. This essential oil contains ambiflavonoid and the beta-carotene, both of them which protect skin from the sun damage by absorbing UV rays. Third one is sandalwood oil. Sandalwood essential oil inhibits tyrosinase production and therefore may be effective at lightening hyperpigmentation. So those 3, as I said it many times before on my channel, only essential oil is good that is 100% organic oil. Any other oil cannot help you. That's why you need to find and take very good research and find the best quality product of this essential oil. And if you apply them on your skin, it can be very, very beneficial. Fourth essential oil is evening primrose oil. Saponef evening primrose oil has been found to prevent melanin production by inhibiting thyrosinase and to lightening hyperpigmentation resulting from the UV exposure. 5 is geranium oil. It is thought that geranium essential oil anti-inflammatory properties enable to reduce dark spots and skin discoloration, especially acne scars. How to use essential oils for hyperpigmentation. For the best result, choose high-quality oils that contain only aromatic plant compounds and no additives or synthetics. Essential oil must be always diluted before applying to the skin. Combine 2 drops of essential oil to 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Common carrier oil include argan oil, jojoba, or rose hip seed oil. This is also very, very important. You find good quality essential oil, but you cannot take them directly on your skin damage or your aged skin spots. You must mix it with carrier oil. That can be like olive oil, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil. Everything is going to be perfect. And just for you, one other very good information, try practicing something called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is one of the best way to get healthy skin and remove aged skin spot. Everything about this perfect diet I was written in my first book that is called Intermittent Fasting: The Secrets of Health and Longevity. And try apply some of them oils. Try maybe 1, 2, maybe all 5 of them and find out what is best for you. But for today's show is most important thing. This is best natural oil that we can find to remove your aged skin spots. For everyone that wants to learn a lot more what are the best vitamins that can remove your aging skin spots, right now you watch this video, it can be very helpful for you. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.